So pretty. Wow. Crystal clear blue waters. Guy came up to us, he was like, do you want to jump from that rope? No, maybe next time. It's lovely.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
So, I'm going to explain what exactly happened in this video because it was such a traumatic thing that I feel like I need to talk about it. People fall off waterfalls and belly flop and face flop all the time. But what happened with this, I need to explain. I'm going to play the video while I'm talking. So yeah, basically, I'm afraid of heights. Anything without, you know, a barrier or a safety net or a security rope or some sort of supervision, I get really agitated, I get really nervous, and I just can't jump, I can't leap, I can't go near the edge, I can't look down. Heights without boundaries, like a waterfall, like a motherfucking waterfall, you know, 18 meters high, oof. You know, it takes a real push to get me to actually jump off. So the push was that, you know, everybody else was doing it. I'm gonna jump. I'm gonna fucking jump. I'm gonna prove that I'm motherfucking Stephen Basden. I'm gonna jump off this bitch and I'm gonna come up out of the water like, yeah, that's what I'm talking about, bitch. Do you know what I mean? Like, it's gonna look good for YouTube or for the vlog or whatever, for the videos. Two guys have jumped off now. It looked easy. They hit the water. They came up like, woo! I was like, okay, I can do this. That looks fun. That is a long fucking way down, but I can do this. You know, I'm not scared of, well, I'm scared of heights, but it's gonna be so cool that it's gonna be worth it. That's basically what was going through my mind. So here you've got me, you know, walking up, getting ready. Everyone's talking to me like, you sure, you sure? I said, yeah. They don't know I'm scared of heights. You know, I'm just hyping myself up in my head. I'm like, yeah, I can do this, come on. Yeah, I got this. So I finally get there. I said, I'm not gonna look down. So he's giving me the rope. I've got my feet stuck in the ground. I'm giving myself a little bounce, a little spring, breathing. My heart's racing. I can remember my heart racing through my chest. It's beating so fast and so hard. I can feel it, but I'm saying, don't think about it. Don't think about it. Just do it. Everyone's watching you. Don't think about it. So finally, yeah, here's the leap.
You can say goodbye for your girlfriend, my friend.
Oh my god. That was the leap. You can see I kind of panicked in the air. I flung my arms out. I kicked my feet like I was running in the air, like I don't know who I thought I was, Jesus or something. And I've hit the water so hard. It didn't look that hard, but if you really think about it, if you've actually done something like this before, that collision, it was like I was hitting cement. Oh, literally, I've come up now. I'm breathing. I can't breathe. I'm winded. My chest is killing me. My ribs are killing me. My stomach's winded. My diaphragm is moved. It felt like someone liver shot me in boxing or something. I was like, and look at the way I'm swimming. I'm panicking. I'm not swimming in a professional manner, which I usually know how to swim. I'm a good swimmer. I'm a very strong swimmer. I'm sort of doggy paddling. I'm swimming backwards. I'm like, I can't breathe. You know, at that point I'm thinking, okay, right, I've broken a rib. I've maybe broke my nose. Maybe my nose is bleeding. I'm okay. All I'm gonna do is go to hospital now. Just act cool, you know. Don't scare anybody because there's a lot of people here watching, a lot of tourists, a lot of locals. Don't scare them. I'm fine. Everybody else does this. I'm cool. Then, as you see, I'm sort of pulling myself out of the water. That was the hardest press up I've ever had to do in my life. I've pressed myself out of the water. I've reached the rock, and I cannot breathe. I can't find the strength to pull myself out, but I did. Straight away, my girl said to me, "You're bleeding. You're bleeding, babe." I'm like, "Oh, yeah, I thought so. I think we have to worry about more things than the blood, babe. My bones are broken." Split the skin that connects your gum to your lip underneath, under here. I don't even know how I did that. I must have had to hit the water like this, face first, like, tish. having real fun. I've got a wedding today. I'm wearing the Arsenal shirt, supporting the Gooners. Thanks guys, thanks very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. There's way more videos from the Philippines and Asia too. I'm going to upload a China video very shortly. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Go back and have a look at that landing again because it fucking hurt. You know, just rewind it a couple of times. No, actually don't even rewind it. I'm going to play it now. Ready? Here.
Oh my god.
I didn't make it. They told me to say goodbye to my girlfriend and my family, and I did say goodbye because now I don't have a lip. Look. You see? The bit that joins my top lip to my teeth is gone. It's been ripped out. Hit the water really hard. I was like, ah! I think we got the footage. I think we got the footage of the blood. That hurt, okay? But I'm fine. I'm a motherfucking soldier because I'm a motherfucking savage. Stephen Baisden. Anna's laughing at me. Anna, don't laugh at me. Look at me. Did you see all the blood?
I'm a motherfucking soldier.
Motherfucking soldier. Yeah, I don't feel pain.
No pain, no gain.
Charlene was crying. Did anyone get the footage of Charlene crying?
Oh,
Did no one get the Charlene crying footage?
I hate when Charlene cries.
I expected her to cry.
Huh? No woman cries. I cry because he's stupid.
She's like, if anything happens to your mom, will kill me.
Yeah, I love that. That was the first.
Yeah, that was the reason.
No.
It's my fault. It's all good. We're good.
Whoa, what's this here?
On to the next one. I'm fine, guys. I think bruised ribs. It's all red, but it's all love. It's all fun.